Come on.
See you below in the shadow of the past. On your way to the new world. Plant the flag in the sand. See the map in your hand. In the hand you stole in fear. You're a slave in this brave new world.
Welcome back to the channel. Woot woot! Another hike day. Oh, so excited to be out here. Hey, today, what do we got on our list? Songbird. I don't really know much about this hike. It was recommended to me by a coworker. It's kind of a boot path that's up by exit 38, just off of Snoqualmie Pass by North Bend. Yeah, it's gonna be, like I said, a boot path. It's gonna be a scramble. It's gonna be a hike. There should be some views. Yeah, don't really know what to expect, but I just didn't want any snow. Oh, so done. After Table Mountain, no more snow. So I think this is gonna be a good little excursion. So we'll see what we get into, and glad you joined me. And if you could, please subscribe. I would very much appreciate it. Okay. Our only objective today is to have some fun. So let's get out here, enjoy the sun, and go climb some mountains.
Come on, baby. Come on and go with me. I need love. I need love so bad. Come on, baby. Come on and go with me. I need love. I need love so bad. It's a low down conscience. Come on, babe. Come on and go with me.
All right, we made it to the Songbird scramble. As if this hike wasn't scramble enough. Now I gotta scramble up this, and apparently it gets even worse. So put my poles away, And we're just gonna go step by step, hand by hand. Take it slow. Stay safe and have fun.
I'll be good to you, baby. You be good to me. We'll get together. Oh, yes, we will. Come on, baby. Come on and go with me.
Scramble for sure. Now I gotta head up this ridge right here. A little precarious, but you know, that's fine. Hey, look up there. I think that is Easter Island. Oh, excited to get up there. Are we having fun? Oh yeah. That actually wasn't too bad. Just pretty good handholds. Not too steep, but I still got a little ways to go. Right up here, climbing up. I think that's the top of Songbird. So we'll just keep step by stepping. Woo woo! Made it. Made it to the top of Songbird. Pretty cool. It's a fun little hike. It's a lot of interesting terrain. And even though it's definitely a boot path and a scramble, it keeps it interesting. So you don't really notice the elevation. I mean, you do, obviously, but there's enough changing terrain and watching your steps that makes time go by super quick. I've already been out here almost 3 hours and made it to the top. Well, I'm gonna go up here a little bit further. I actually have an idea that I wanna go continue down on this path, go over to Greenway Mountain, loop around down, and then come back around and hit up Machu Picchu on the way back over to this trail as a connector. It'd be like a nice little loop. It's gonna add another maybe 1.5 miles, but it's only like 800 feet more elevation, so it shouldn't be too bad. I don't know about this path. No one's walked on this in a long time. Super annoying. Really bushwhacking through here. But I got the whole day ahead of me, so let's stay out here and enjoy this beautiful day in these mountains before we head back to civilization.
Al aire veo bailar, juntito del viento, se mueve de par en par, lo dice mi aliento, se siente mojado, húmedo en el tiempo, rociando en la mano, agua que caliento.
Oh, found some snow. Did not want snow. Now what the heck is this? What the heck, man? Oh! Dang! Yo! This is crazy! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I came back here. What? Okay, hold up.
Deja que caiga un monzón pa' soltarlo, para que aleje el fuego. Que meta en tus labios la tierra, expandiendo su canto en el campo. Que cuelgue la hierba morena, que suelte las penas de un alma que llora, que a veces se prende y se quema al pedir por ella. Llueve, agua, llueve, llueve y me moja. Llueve, agua, llueve, llueve y me toca. Llueve, agua, llueve, llueve y me moja. Llueve, agua, llueve, llueve y me toca.
Oh gosh, so glad I came up here. So cool. Sometimes I'm like, should I do a side quest? Should I go a little further? Sometimes I wonder, but it's almost always worth it. Okay, we're gonna keep it going, see what else this trail has to offer. I don't know about this path. No one's walked on this in a long time. Come on. But this is, I can't go back now. just gotta keep going, I guess. It's just like, what did I get myself into? It's not hard, it's just super annoying. Really bushwhacking through here. All right, I said screw it and came down the hill. That was just way too thick. But now we just gotta navigate these trees. It's a couple switchbacks. Maybe they'll save me some time. It's actually easier. So we're doing it. Are you kidding me? Made it to another road. It just goes this way and then switches back over here. So I'm just gonna go straight through because that was way easier than trying to go through this nonsense. I mean, look how thick this is. Expect me to climb through here? No, thank you. So we're gonna go down. Back there's a turn off, and it would take me about, I don't know, 500 feet to get to Machu Picchu, and then another 200 feet to get back to the ridge, which then I have to climb down. So I decided to take this path going through here. It's actually much easier. It's still along the road, and it's gonna get me back to the car quicker. So good thing I got GPS re-navigating me. Let's just keep going.
Deja que caiga un monzón para soltarlo, para que aleje el fuego. Que meta en tus labios la tierra, expandiendo su canto en el campo. Que cuelgue la hierba morena, que suelte las penas de un alma que llora, que a veces se prende y se quema, a pedir por ella.
That was quite the adventure. Quite a spunky little trail. A lot of vertical, a lot of boot path, a lot of trees, a lot of randomness, a lot of back and forth. Ask me how many spider webs I walked into. Yeah, you're right, 1 million. Oh, it was ridiculous. But either way, we out here having fun. We're enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. I love nature. So hopefully this inspires you just to get out there. It doesn't matter where you're at, what trail you're going to, just get outside. Get outside and enjoy it. All right, my friends, I will talk to you later. Have a good one.